Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kushal, and in previous video I taught you that Murad had come to Aram's house with a beautiful white horse, and he invited Aram to enjoy riding. Okay, so now Aram, we have to start from here. Well, it seemed to me stealing a horse for a ride was not the same thing as stealing something else. Aram applied his reason, his wisdom, and he concluded that it was not stealing. Means the act of stealing the horse was not an act of stealing. Okay, it seemed to me stealing a horse for a ride was not the same thing as stealing something else, such as money. So, see how he tried to justify the act of Murad. He said that Murad stealing the horse could not be regarded as the theft, and it was different thing from stealing money. For all I knew, maybe it wasn't stealing at all. And as far as his reason was concerned, his wisdom was concerned, it was not stealing at all, it was not theft at all. आप यहाँ क्या कहेंगे? Aram's sense of wisdom was not right. Okay, was not justified. Means he was not agreed to accept that Murad had done a theft. Murad had stolen the horse. Okay. Yes. If you were crazy about horses the way my cousin Murad and I were, it wasn't stealing. Okay, he thought that they had stolen the horse, means Murad had stolen the horse just because they wanted to satisfy their long cherished desire of enjoying riding. So it could not be stealing. Okay, they had taken the horse only for riding. So it was not stealing at all. It wouldn't become stealing until we offered to sell the horse, and it could not be regarded as theft until they sold the horse for money, which of course I knew we would never do. And Aram knew that they were not going to do it. They were not going to sell the horse. Okay, let me put on some clothes, I said. Aram told Murad that he should be allowed to dress up himself. All right, he said, but hurry. Murad asked him to hurry up. Okay, I leaped into my clothes, and then Aram went to his clothes hurriedly. Okay, he started dressing up himself. I just down to the yard from the window and leaped up onto the horse behind my cousin Murad. And through the window he came out. He jumped out of the window, है ना? Main door से नहीं आया, lest anybody in his house should notice him. So he came out of the window and sat behind his cousin Murad on the horse. That year we lived at the edge of town. That year they lived at the edge, as होता है border of town, Walnut Avenue. जो Walnut Avenue town है उसके border पर मतलब वो रहते थे. Behind our house was the country, and on the back side of their house there was the country. ठीक है, country means देहाती area, rural area. Okay, on the back side of their house, rural area started. Vineyards, there were vineyards, orchards. Orchards means जो garden होते हैं fruits के, और vineyards होती हैं अंगूर के जो खेत वगैरह होते हैं. ठीक है. Irrigation ditches, there were irrigation ditches, सिंचाई करने के लिए जो खाइयाँ बनी होती हैं वो खाइयाँ थी उधर. And country roads, and country roads उधर शुरू हो जाते थे, गांव के रोड शुरू हो जाते थे उनके घर के बैक साइड में. On the backside of their house, there were vineyards, orchards, irrigation ditches, and the country roads. In less than 3 minutes, we were on Olive Avenue, and they reached Olive Avenue. in less than 3 minutes. ठीक है, बिल्कुल 3 मिनट से भी कम समय लिया और हॉर्स पे राइडिंग करते हुए, ठीक है, फास्ट राइडिंग करते हुए ओलिव एवेन्यू पहुंच गए. एंड देन द हॉर्स बिगिन टू ट्रॉट एंड देयर आफ्टर द हॉर्स स्टार्टेड रनिंग. और उसके बाद तो हॉर्स ने रनिंग करना शुरू कर दिया और भी तेज, मतलब एक तरह से भागना शुरू कर दिया. ठीक है, ट्रॉट रनिंग. द एयर वॉज न्यू एंड लवली टू ब्रीथ. The air was fresh and it was a wonderful experience to breathe in fresh air. Fresh air में breathe कर पाना एक wonderful experience था. It was a lovely experience. The feel of the horse running was wonderful. And the very feeling of the horse trotting, the horse running was splendid. ठीक है, हॉर्स को भागते देखने की जो फीलिंग थी, वो फीलिंग ही बड़ी शानदार थी, बहुत ही स्प्लेंडेड थी. माय कजन मुराद, who was considered one of the courageous members of our family, began to sing. His cousin Murad was actually regarded as one of the courageous, as one of the eccentric members of their family. उनकी फैमिली के जो courageous members होते थे उनमें से एक माना जाता था मुराद को, सन की मतलब. ठीक है, and he began to sing and Murad started singing. I mean, he began to roar and Aram is saying that actually he was not singing, he started roaring. गाना तो आता नहीं था उसको, तो कहता है गाना नहीं, वो मतलब एक्चुअली दहाड़ रहा था, तो उसने दहाड़ना शुरू कर दिया. Every family has a crazy streak. Streak means inclination. ठीक है, और यू कैन से टेनेंसी, एक अजीब सी एक प्रवृत्ति होती है. ठीक है, एवरी फैमिली हैज ए क्रेजी स्ट्रिक इन इट समवेयर. Aram says that every family has a crazy inclination in it somewhere. हर एक परिवार में एक क्रेजी मतलब पागलपन वाली एक प्रवृत्ति सी होती है मतलब. And my cousin Murad was considered the natural descendant of the crazy streak in our tribe. And in Garoclanian tribe, Murad was considered the natural, the spontaneous descendant. Descendant means successor, or successor you may say, or you may say or, HEIR. Okay, so Murad was regarded as the natural successor of that crazy inclination, of that crazy tendency in the tribe. Before him was our uncle Khosrow, and before Murad, that crazy streak was inherited by Uncle Khosrow, an enormous man with a powerful head of black hair and the largest moustache in the San Joaquin Valley. Uncle Khosrow was an enormous man, मतलब हट्टे कट्टे आदमी थे वो, Uncle Khosrow, and he had a powerful head of black hair. And he had largest mustache in San Joaquin Valley. ये कैलिफोर्निया में एक वैली है, San Joaquin Valley. A man so furious in temper, so furious, मतलब इतना गुस्से वाला आदमी था. ठीक है, he was short tempered person, so irritable, he could be irritated easily, so impatient, he lacked patience, that he stopped anyone from talking by roaring. It is no harm, pay no attention to it. Means he lacked patience so much that he stopped, he prevented anyone from speaking, from talking. Okay, by speaking loudly. It is no harm, pay no attention to it. So आप यहाँ पर क्वालिटीज इसके देख सकते हैं. कैरेक्टर स्केच में आपको पूछा जा सकता है कि डिस्क्राइब अंकल खोसरो. So Uncle Khosrow had crazy streak. Okay, he was an enormous man with a powerful head of black hair and the largest mustache in San Joaquin Valley, and he was a short-tempered person. He could be irritated easily, and he was an impatient fellow. Okay, and he stopped anyone from talking by speaking loudly. It is no harm, pay no attention to it, whatever the matter. That was all. That was all about Uncle Khosrow. No matter what anybody happened to be talking about, and it did not matter for Uncle Khosrow what the speaker was speaking, what the speaker was saying. Once it was his own son Arak running 8 blocks to the barber shop where his father was having his mustache trimmed to tell him their house was on fire. So to prove it, Aram gives an example here that he did not pay attention to what the speaker was talking about. Okay. So once it was his own son. Whose son? Uncle Khosrow's son, Arak. Running 8 blocks to the barber shop. Means crossing 8 blocks, 8 buildings टाइप में, मतलब ब्लॉक्स होते हैं जैसे एक तरह से कॉलोनीज टाइप में बिल्डिंग्स वगैरह, तो उसको पार करके गया वो बार्बर शॉप वेयर हिज फादर वाज हैविंग हिज मस्टाश ट्रिम्ड, वेयर हिज फादर was getting his mustache trimmed to tell him their house was on fire. Arak went there to inform his father that their house was set ablaze, that their house was burning. Okay, once Uncle Khosrow was at a barber shop. He was getting his mustache trimmed there, and his son Arak, crossing 8 blocks, went to the barber shop to inform his father that the house was on fire. This man Khosrow sat up in the chair and roared. Uncle Khosrow, as usual, sat up in the chair and shouted, "It is no harm, pay no attention to it." There was no harm. Pay no attention to it. He repeated the same refrain. The barber said, "But the boy sees your house is on fire." The barber tried to remind him of that the boy was telling that their house was burning and their house was set ablaze. So Khosrow roared, "Enough, it is no harm, I say." Again Uncle Khosrow shouted, "It was enough and it is no harm." Okay, so means he did not pay attention at all what Arak was saying or what the barber was telling. My cousin Murad considered the natural descendant of this man. His cousin Murad was regarded as the natural successor of this man. Means it was thought that Murad had inherited the crazy streak from Uncle Khosrow. कि ये जो क्रेजी वाली जो पागलपन वाली प्रवृत्ति है वो कहाँ से इनहेरिट की है मुराद ने? अंकल खुसरो से, ये माना जाता था. Although Murad's father was Jorab, however Murad's father was Jorab, who was practical and nothing else, who was a practical person, means who was a down to earth person. That's how it was in our tribe. But such things happened in their tribe. A man could be the father of his son's flesh, but that didn't mean that he was also the father of his spirit. Aram says that a man could be the father of his son's flesh, but it did not mean that he was also the father of his spirit, his soul. इसका मतलब क्या है कि एक आदमी जो है अपने सन के फ्लैश का, मतलब उसके फ्लैश का तो फादर हो सकता है पर उसके स्पिरिट का, उसकी आत्मा का फादर नहीं हो सकता. कि Aram speaks this statement in the context of Murad, and he wants to tell that a child may resemble his father in appearance only, but it is not necessary that the child would gain all the personality traits or all the qualities of his father. He may inherit the qualities of any other member of his family, like कोई चाचा है, ताऊ है, बुआ है, दादी है, उसके दादा हैं, तो किसी की भी क्वालिटी वो इनहेरिट कर सकता है. ठीक है, तो ये मतलब है इसका. The distribution of the various kinds of spirit of our tribe had been from the beginning capricious and vagrant. ये जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन था, बंटवारा of various kinds of spirit मतलब ये बिहेवियर का, जो अजीब सी किस्म के बिहेवियर का जो बंटवारा था उनकी ट्राइब में, हैड बीन फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. ये स्टार्टिंग से क्या था? कैप्रिशियस था. कैप्रिशियस मीन्स अनप्रिडिक्टेबल, जिसके बारे में हम कुछ प्रिडिक्ट ना कर पाए. एंड वैग्रेंट होता है वैसे आवारा. ठीक है, वेगाबॉन्ड. तो आवारा इसका मतलब जिसका पता ही नहीं, ठोर ठिकाना ही नहीं, कहाँ किस में जाए, मतलब कहाँ जाए. द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द वेरियस kinds of behavior in their tribe had been from the very starting was unpredictable and vagrant, means ये जो क्रेजी स्ट्रीक है ये किस में जाएगी, ठीक है, और किस तरीके से क्या व्यवहार होगा, तो ये सब अनप्रिडिक्टेबल था और वैग्रेंट था। वी रोड एंड माई कजन मुराद sang. They rode the horse and his cousin Murad sang the song while riding. For all anybody knew, we were still in the old country. For all, जितने भी लोग थे, जो भी मतलब जो उनको जानते थे, anybody knew, we were still in the old country. जो लोग उनको जानते थे उनके लिए हम अभी भी ओल्ड कंट्री में थे, हम अभी भी देहाती एरिया में थे, ठीक है. एटलीस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू सम ऑफ आवर नेबर्स वी बिलोंग्ड. एटलीस्ट कुछ जो हमारे नेबर्स जो हमें जानते थे, मतलब अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर सम ऑफ आवर नेबर्स वी बिलोंग्ड. तो एटलीस्ट हमारे नेबर्स के लिए तो हम कंट्री साइड से ही बिलोंग करते थे, ठीक है. We let the horse run as long as it felt like running, and they enjoyed riding as fast as the horse could run. They allowed the horse run as fast as the horse could. Okay. At last, my cousin Murad said, "Get down, I want to ride alone." And ultimately, Murad asked Aram to get down the horse because he wanted to ride alone. He wanted to enjoy riding alone. "Will you let me ride alone?" I asked. Aram was also tempted to enjoy riding alone, and he asked Murad if he would allow him also to ride alone. "That is up to the horse," my cousin said. "Get down." Murad said that it depended on the horse. So he asked him to get down. "The horse will let me ride," I said. Aram said that the horse would allow him to ride. Only he wanted his permission. कहता भाई तुम इजाजत दे दो बस, horse तो मुझे riding करने देगा. "We shall see," he said. Murad said that they would see. That they would see. "Don't forget that I have a way with a horse." He said that he should not try to imitate him because he had a tact to deal with a horse. कि भाई कहता है कि तुम ऐसा मत सोचो कि भी मैं अकेला राइड कर रहा हूँ तो तुम भी कर सकते हो, मुझे तो हॉर्स के साथ डील करने का तरीका आता है, मुझे तो टैक्ट है मतलब, ठीक है. "Well," I said, "anyway, you have with a horse, I have also." तो अरम कहता है ठीक है, तुम्हें तरीका आता है तो आई हैव ऑल्सो, मुझे भी आता है भाई, है ना. अरम ने थोड़ा सा माइंड कर लिया, थोड़ा सा उसको बुरा लगा, तो ही वॉज अ बिट अनॉयड. ही सेड दैट इफ ही हैड अ टेक टू डील विद अ हॉर्स देन ही हैड ऑल्सो. कहता उसको भी तरीका है भाई, टैक्ट आता है उसको भी हॉर्स को डील करने का. "फॉर द सेक ऑफ योर सेफ्टी," ही सेड. मुराद सेड दैट ही वॉज कंसर्न्ड अबाउट हिज सेफ्टी ओनली, दैट्स व्हाई ही वॉज सेइंग सो. "लेट्स होप सो." चलो ऐसा उम्मीद करते हैं कि तुम भी राइड कर लोगे अच्छे से. "गेट डाउन," चलो अब नीचे उतर जाओ. ओके. सो मुराद आस्क्ड आरम टू गेट डाउन द हॉर्स. "ऑल राइट," आई सेड. तो कहता है मैंने बोल दिया ठीक है, "बट रिमेंबर यू हैव गॉट टू लेट मी ट्राई टू राइड अलोन." बट आरम said that he should not forget that he had actually promised him to allow to do riding alone. Okay, should not back out. इसको back out नहीं करना, मतलब वापस करना नहीं. Okay, I got down and my cousin Murad kicked his heels into the horse and shouted, "Wazir, run." Then Aram got down the horse and his cousin Murad kicked his heels into the horse and ordered to run. Okay, Wazir is the name of the horse. The horse stood on its hind legs. As soon as Murad kicked his heels into the horse, it stood on its rear legs. ये अपनी पीछे की जो टांगे हैं, हिंड मीन्स रियर, बैक लेग्स के ऊपर खड़ा हो गया ये. And snorted, and it started snoring and burst into a fury of speed, and it started running speedily. और speedily इसने भागना शुरू कर दिया. That was the loveliest thing I had ever seen, and it was the most wonderful thing he had ever observed, ever seen. My cousin Murad raced the horse across a field of dry grass to an irrigation ditch. His cousin Murad rode the horse across a field of dry grass to an irrigation ditch. एक सूखी घास के मैदान से irrigation ditch तक ले गया, then crossed the ditch and he raced the ditch. और he crossed the ditch, उसने ditch को cross किया on the horse पर बैठे बैठे छलांग लगाई मतलब, and 5 minutes later returned, and after an interval of 5 minutes he came back and he was in perspiration, dripping कर रहा था वो, मतलब he was in perspiration, he was in sweating, बिल्कुल पसीने पसीने हो रहा.